Oh, yeah, this one's pretty bad, look. And there's something in there. Nice. Another whole blade block. And more, this is a particularly shit one at the back, look. You can get spoonfuls of this cack out of here. Anyway, lovely. Right, it's that thick. Yeah. Alright. This is why you do the core plugs at the back. Yeah, lovely. Nice. From the outside, they actually look sort of okay. But yeah, always change them. Right, let's smear this on that white bit of paper. No, it's not pretty, it's just stuff. Even when you think there's nothing in there, there's still more. Lovely. Side of that, see? This is that's the sludge that's in the block. Nice. God, that's even more than I thought. Oh, look at that, yeah, loads of it, look. Mud. Nice. Right, a nice one this. Guys owned it since 1975.
but they presumably also want the fundamental rights of freedom of speech and freedom of the press and freedom of assembly actually maintained. And so now they are forced to the decision because the radical left doesn't like any of those things. So the question.
Right, another core plug video. Nice. Lovely.
I had similar experiences.
This one is particularly gooey. Really shit like that. Look at that, look. The water is coming out the top of all the cake of shit. Nice. Yeah, there you go, look. Oh, lovely, lovely.
Apparently your volume is low. Can you bring the mic closer?
Nice, it's like fucking sand. Oh. Get it done. This is sludge left that's all in the back of your block. Nice. Even the old ones. This block has been dry for a while. You have to physically dig the stuff out. It won't just come out from washing. Another core plug. Look at that, solid wall. This is why flushing stuff won't get it out. You have to dig it out. Fucking hell, this is one of the worst. Nice. Anyway. I'm going to get 2 hands on this. Right, is it showing up right? Yep. Because I've done loads of videos of the core plug at the back, I'll just show where we get these out. Because this one you can see is leaking. Normally, you just get them round, spin them round in the block like that. Get them out, and you can see the crap that's coming out of that one. So I mean, you've got to dig it out. You can't flush it out with a hose. Push that the wrong way. Yeah, alright, that'll do. Alright.
And also the mounting points for the soft top exist. So
let's see this.
So here's 4 videos of this car. I hope you guys enjoy it. And let me know if you like this style better. If you like 4 videos at the end all once, or if you like one at a time as I go. So let me know.
Lovely. This is the radiator pellet stuff that's just horrible.